I was wondering if you could just discuss a bit more some of the risks you see coming, specifically with respect to biology, and how we should go about mitigating those.
But speaking as an amateur in your field, the two current risks from these models are cyber and bio risks. The cyber ones are easy to understand. The system can generate cyber attacks, and in theory can generate zero-day cyber attacks that we can't see, and it can unleash them. And furthermore, it can do it at scale. In biology, you get some evil, the equivalent of Osama bin Laden. They would start with an open source model. Now, these open source models have been restricted using a testing process. They're called cards, and they test it out, and they delete that information from the model. It turns out it's relatively easy to reverse essentially those security modes around the model. And that's a danger. So now you've got a model that can generate bad pathogens. Then the second thing you have to do is you have to find things to build them. Our collective assessment at the moment is that that's a nation-state risk, not an individual terrorist risk, although we could be wrong. The good news, and the reason we're all alive today, is that the bio stuff is hard to manufacture and distribute and to make deadly and spread and so forth and so on. That's what I worry about. But I think at the moment, our consensus is we're right below the threshold where this is an issue. And the consensus in my side of the industry is that one more or two more turns of the crank, these issues will be, and by then you'll be graduated and you can sort of help solve these problems.